how to set iCloud mail to move discarded messages into deleted mailbox or archive mailbox on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, tap on your Apple account at the top. Then we go down and tap on iCloud. Next, tap on iCloud Mail. And make sure you turn on Use on this iPhone. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then we scroll down and tap on Mailbox Behaviors. In here, in the Move Discarded Messages Into, select either Deleted Mailbox or Archive Mailbox. So when you delete an email, it can either go through the deleted mailbox or go to archive. And that's it. So select one of the options, then tap on Done to save the changes. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.